singer Pushparani suspended for joining political event. Huidrom Pushparani Devi, who worked as a music instructor at Government Idol Blind School, Takhel, has been suspended from service for taking part in a political meeting. An order issued by the Director of Social Welfare Department said that the music instructor took part in a campaign organized by a political party during the recent visit of the Prime Minister of India on February 22, 2020.
भारत माता की भारत माता की
The order also cited video evidence shared by the Office of the Chief Electoral Officer, Manipur, which clearly shows Pushparani taking part in the political meeting even though she denied to have any knowledge about the political nature of the event. In her response to the explanation call served, accordingly, Pushparani has been placed under suspension with immediate effect. She shall not leave Imphal without obtaining prior permission from the competent authority.